Research that. How many yucca plants is that? 3? If there's one more, and there's one more right here. Nice. Okay, so there's zombies inside the place. Hubcap? I don't think we've ever picked up hubcaps before, so just for the sake of picking some up, we'll keep it, I guess. Okay. I'm not gonna harvest the bodies just quite yet. Go ahead and clear out all the zombies first. Ah, there's one up there. Another one down here. Okay, there's one right there. You fucking kidding me, bro? I would love to have my miner's cap on, but considering the fact that we're maintaining a pretty high core temperature, I'd rather not take the risk. Pick that up. Alright. I feel like that should be all these zombies, right? Hopefully. Yeah, there's a lot of shit to search here. Pick that up. Just so that we can get free up a slot here. We'll just turn that into a yucca drink now. And in fact, we can actually drink one more because our core temperature thing has gone away. But our water is still 100%, so I don't think we can drink another drink if we're 100%. I don't think. What the fuck? Oh, it's because it's fucking razor wire. The fuck? Hell out of here, bitch. Okay. Addy. Another set of hubcaps? Like, I don't understand why I would ever need them, but you know, who knows. In any case, now that we've mostly cleared out this place, let's go ahead and make the rounds here and loot whatever we can. I'm still expecting that dog to show up out of fucking nowhere and just bite us in the ass. 'Cause, you know, doggies. Yeah, so as you can see, there are a hell of a lot of loot spawns. Most of them are just like garbage and stuff like that, but I don't know. With so many of them, some of them is bound to have something interesting at the very least, even if the chances are slim. Yeah, so the dog just ran out here somewhere. If my luck's any indication, it's probably just lurking around somewhere, just waiting for me to run away or exit the premises so it can just come over and bite the hell out of my ass. Can we drink this? Nope, you cannot drink if you have no thirst meter. Okay, so how do we get up here? I think we can actually just jump on this oven and yep, get up right on top of here. Nothing. Yeah. There's a lot of stuff on top of these things that are a little bit interesting as to why they're even here. Pistol receiver. Okay. Jeez, we got so much shit to scrap. I wish there's like I wish there were a perk where you could scrap things faster. Because all these brass things, like, they take so fucking long. Like, a minute 30, a minute 30. Shit like that. It's like each brass little item takes 30 seconds to scrap. Like, what the fuck? Seriously, it takes that long? And our guy is super overheating, so we have to get out of here as quickly as possible. Time allowing, but... yeah. Can we drink this? Yes, we actually can, so... yay. Well, I would scrap that, but, yeah. Too much shit in our queue. Let's go inside here, just to cool ourselves off a little bit, because staying inside does actually drop your temperature. And we'll just wait for all these things to stop scrapping, or to finish scrapping, I should say. A lot of stuff. We can also eat this honey, right, I believe? Yay, and our wellness went up too. Let's see, that's a lead trophy. I think these are both lead trophies. No, nope, never mind. These are all just random brass shit. What takes the least time? I like that. So brass candlesticks take the least time, apparently. That's good to know. What is this? Smash, smash. Search that. Okay, let's jump on top of here again. Pick up this yucca fruit, because I get the feeling we'll be needing another one of those pretty soon. Let's see, feathers, nah. Iron arrowheads, take more bullet casings. Can never have enough, apparently. What is it? Oh, just a small stone thing. More yucca plants. We'll just pick up these two so that we can make another yucca plant drink. Okay. Just make another one. Just queue that up and scrap the rest. Search this. Nope. No queue. Get them all up at the same time, then. Ow. Yucca plant during yucca plants? Sure. Because clearly we need to constantly. Actually, we can just do that, and then we can just scrap it like this. Scrap that. So yeah, clearly you guys can tell that the junkyard has a lot of loot spawns to look through. It's just a random fucking toilet. Many of these are dumb shits. Unfortunately for us, that is no longer useful to us because our miscellaneous crafting is already 100%. So we honestly don't really care anymore. Scrap that, I guess. Can we drink another yucca plant juice? Yes, we can. Yes! Alright. Spam all the yucca plant juices. What are these? Are these rebar frames? I think they are. Hey, even more brass candlesticks. We'll just cancel that and requeue them. Now it'll take 4 fucking minutes in order to scrap all of them. Wonderful. Why do brass candlesticks take so fucking long to scrap anyway? Hey, more of them. Wonderful. In fact, we'll just cancel the queue and scrap it again. Actually, we won't even bother with scrapping those right now. What we will do instead is just scrap the glass jars, and search everything else first, and then scrap the brass candles at the very end, because they take so fucking long. Even the brass doorknobs only take 30 seconds. Even more glass jars. Even more brass candlesticks. This game really loves giving us brass candlesticks now, doesn't it? Can of pears, hunting rifle barrel. Our scavenging level is gonna go so high as a result of this. That's my lamp, by the way. Not to mention, this place has a whole ton of mini bike wheels. So if you were ever in need for more mini bike wheels, oh no, that's not what I meant to do. You can obviously just come down to the junkyard and hit them all, just to see if you can get some mini bike wheels. Oh geez, stop bitching. You've been through worse. I can say that confidently too. Give me lots of random gunpowder, that's for sure. Keep at least a stack of glass jars on us so that we can make another yucca plant drink later if we really need to. Brass doorknob, we can scrap that right away because it only takes 30 seconds. Brass trophies as well. Oh, can't actually pick that up. Let's just scrap that, fuck it. Oh, foul trash actually do spawn yucca seeds. Huh, didn't even know that. I guess I've just been ignoring them all this time, just not even considering them anything important. Rip me, I guess. Haven't searched this one. Search that one. Fuck the paper. Oh, no more room. We'll just carry these around with us. Even more. I like how the brass doorknobs actually have a model in this game, so you can actually physically hold them. It's pretty hilarious. Scrap those. Pick up the gas barrel before it blows up in our faces.